Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change icon size in Windows 11. So guys, as we can see, there are icons on desktop. So to change size, right click anywhere, move cursor to view. Here you will see option large icons, medium icons, small icons. Select. So this is the small one, medium and large. So this is the basic setting to learn Windows 11. And guys, in this channel you will find a list of videos about Windows Basic. If you are learning Windows PC, computer, laptop, so you will find useful videos in channel. So check out rest videos. Thanks for watching.